Hi, welcome to this video tutorial, and of course I remain Moses. Now we need to build a solid blog website, and to do that I would like us to build this in a subdomain, not on the main website, because I want you to build yourself a business website or a portfolio website on your main domain name. So to build this blog website, I would love us to do it on a subdomain. So the first thing we'll be doing is installing a subdomain or creating a subdomain on your cPanel. So you need to log into your cPanel. I'm going to head back to spantrix.com. And I'll need to log in right here. So of course Moses may down see. I'm going to click on clicking on forgot password. That's a mistake. And I'm going to click on login right here. Cool, I'm logged into my client's area. I'm going to click on services, and I'm going to click on my product right here, masterclass.name.ng. Don't click on the domain name direct, click on this box. I'm going to click on the box, and I'm going to log in to cPanel. Remember, if you are browsing with MTN, make use of Opera Mini. Currently I'm not browsing with MTN, so I can log in using my network. So you need to scroll all the way down to domains. You look for domains. So we have domains right here. So I'm going to be creating a subdomain. I'm going to click on this little icon right here to create my subdomain, and I'm going to be calling my subdomain blog. So it will be blog.masterclass.name.ng. It is free. You are not paying for it. So with every host you get from Spantrix, you get free subdomains, add-on domains, and so on and so forth. You will get to understand most of these terms later on, but for now we are working on subdomain. So I'm going to give this blog, and I want it to be in my public HTML, and I'm going to click on create. Cool, my subdomain has been created. If I click on go back, we have it right here. Our subdomain has been created. We have blog.masterclass.name.ng. Now the next thing we'll be doing is installing WordPress into our subdomain. To do that, I need to click on this icon right here to go back to my cPanel dashboard. Of course, you scroll all the way down, come to Softaculous, and I'm going to click on WordPress. Cool, just like we did for the first one, I'm going to click on install. This will give me a drop down, and this time around I want to install in my subdomain, not my domain name. Please pay attention to this part. This time around I want to install to my subdomain, not my main domain name. So I'm going to click on blog.masterclass.name.ng. Cool, and I'm going to clear this box, this WP box. I'm going to clear it because I want to install directly to this subdomain. And then you set your password, you set your username, you set your site name, you set your site description, and you come all the way down to click on install. So I'm going to leave this as default. Now after setting your username, your password, your site name, your site description, you need to scroll all the way down to click on install, and this should install WordPress to our subdomain. Surfing in, as you can see, if I click on view my website right here, I'm going to open this in another tab so we can have a view. We just installed WordPress into subdomain, which is the blog.masterclass.name.ng. To log into your admin hand, just click on this second link right here. Now before you click on this link, make sure you remember your username and your password against next time when you want to log in, or better still, just open this in another tab, this one, the first one. I'm going to close this, then add /wp admin, click enter, then log in using the normal method, your username and your password, but I'm not going to use this method. I'm just going to go ahead to log in using this link. So it will log me in automatically. And Sefinin, I've been logged in. So now I have two websites on my host. One on my direct domain name, which is masterclass.name.ng, and another one on a subdomain, which is blog.masterclass.name.ng. And of course, when you install new WordPress, you know what to do. You need to clear your dashboard. So I'm going to click on this screen option right here and tick this, guys. Cool. I'm going to come to settings, permalinks, and put this to post name, save changes. And I'm going to come to plugins. I'm going to delete these two, guys. I'm going to come to posts. I'm going to move this to trash and delete permanently. I also want to come to pages, and I want to trash these guys and also delete permanently. Cool. The next thing I have to do is change my theme. I'm going to come to appearance themes, and I'm going to install Cadence theme here also. I'm going to click on add new, and search for Cadence. I'm going to click on install and go ahead to activate. Cool. Now I need to clear this dashboard by removing the default themes. I'm going to click on theme details, delete, theme details, delete, theme details, delete, and boom, we have this young man. We just cleared our new installation on the subdomain, and this will be ready to go. So from the next video tutorial, we will actually be building a real-time blog website.